What up? Hello, hello, hello. Little afternoon stream here. Oops. What up, David? What up, David? How's it going? We're also going to go live over here on the Talk of the Ticks. Just to do it. Trying to get my TikTok live thing to allow me to be able to go live every day on this on my PC. But so we'll just be on here. See if we can get it set up here so you can at least see what's going on. There we go. All right. What's going on, King Khan? How you doing today? We'll maybe take some trades here. Hey, Hus, can you hear me over there on the TikTok? He's got the Coke can pressing the like button right now. What up, Just Ain't Right? Good evening. All right, good. Kind of hanging out here. Where do you guys have your VWAP at? Mine gets kind of cattywampus here in the evening. Showing it at 469. Is yours in the same area? Yeah, it just ain't right. I tend to agree. David, got your first ever payout from a prop firm last week, Tradeify. Let's go. All from the Asia session? That's amazing. Oh, that sucks, King Khan. I hate that you're sick, man. I hope you get better quickly. So, no, I'm Piggy Bank. I'm just on here just to gain some moments, or I might take a trade. We'll see, but it'll be an eval only. You guys can see I actually did pass that eval today that we were up $2,400 on. We did pass it. I re-entered shorts over here. Right here, this was the pushback up into initial balance, I think. Was it right here? Yeah, this was the pushback up into the initial balance area, I think. Did I miss that? Yeah, I think that's where that was. I re-entered the short there and took it down. So, what up, Jack? If you guys want to go over to TikTok, I am live on TikTok too, Methodical Man. What's going on, Bobber? How you doing? If you want to give me a follow over here on TikTok, I'll follow you back. I don't know how I can post a link to my TikTok though. I'm trying to be able to go live on TikTok, but unfortunately it says I don't have any access to go live in the studio. So I'm having to do it this, redneck engineering way through my phone. So, through the phone. DJ Deals, what up? Maybe you want to try trading Bitcoin. Ooh, I don't know if I can do Bitcoin piggy bank. I do know my strategy does work with Bitcoin. So maybe one day we can pick up some Bitcoin and do it. Life is getting away. You're hoping to do a couple of streams next year. Let's go. Nice job, King Kong. Listen, the hardest thing to do is to just get started. I mean, I say that all the time. It's the hardest and the easiest thing to do is to just get started. Streaming and doing all the things like that. So, just getting started. Anybody taking any trades yet? Looks like we're just chopping so far. Right here above the VWAP. Jackson in the house. It put me on that. That's not what we want. I can't even type over here. All right. Gold's climbing, David. Gold's on the run. You're studying again. Yeah, I mean, I get it, King Kong. You got a lot going on. It makes it hard, right? See if I can open up my TikTok on my PC. I don't know that I can. Um, Can I pull up my own live? Oh, maybe I can. Oh, we're going to have to mute it, though. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. What's going on, Jack? What's up, Cleve? Man, we're going to the moon here. What are we doing? Oh, I got to mute that. There we go. This is like the funkiest way to stream ever. Let's adjust this thing. Took a trade on silver, gold, and NQ did well. Let's go, Bobber. The price of Bitcoin on the pullback, gold's going. Yeah, it could be. I may take, ES is kind of right back at that 63 level. If we push through that 63 level, we might jump in long here. Let's see. Kind of got some, yeah, we're kind of breaking out of that downward trend there as well. There's no real setup here. You just have to jump in long. I mean, this level up here looks kind of interesting. Oh, you're over there using two hands? We might jump in long here. Let's see. What do you guys think? Just for the stream. Jump in long for the stream. Blow the account for the stream. This is not a good look on this phone. I don't have anything to hold the phone, though. I'm not going to sit here and hold it myself, so let's try and move it over here. Maybe make it a little better. This doesn't look... It's not very good. It's making me go live from the phone, so this is the best I can do. What up, Jacques Van Moonia? You just closed it? Oh, man. I'm about to open it. I'm about to open the trade. Let's see, can I find something to sit this thing on? Maybe we can get this propped up a little better here. We can go like... I wish I had like some sort of a stand or something to put this on. I just don't. Sorry about this, guys. It's gonna be a little cattywampus there. Not much I can do. Don't blow an account. No, I'm not gonna do that. You're able to see Mr. American is an Asian open trader. Who's that? You just blown your balloon like a baboon. I don't know what that is. Nice job, Fred. All right, I think we're probably going to... We'll take the trade here. Let's see. What do we got to risk? 11 points. All right, let's do it. We're in. We're in the right account. Let's make sure we're on the right account. I think so. Yep. We're on the right account. We're on minis, and I'm just going to look for a little scalp up to the 91. Look for a little 10-point scalperoonie here. Jackson, it won't let me. It will not let me. I tried. You know some sort of a trick that I don't? Stop will go in at break even at 87. Because at 87, I would expect us to at least hit the target. So, let's see if that happens. See if we get up here to 87. I'm going to hold this for you guys. Why not? Target's 91 up there. Let's just see if we can push it. Can we push it? Can we do it? It's pulling back. We got the protection of the VWAP. Yeah, Fred, mainly I'm just trying to get this live in on TikTok here. So I'm doing live on TikTok on my phone. I don't know how I can do it from my, like when I try to do it from my PC, It doesn't let me. I'll show you what it says. Jackson, I'm live also on, what you call it here. I'll show you what it says when I try to go live on my PC. See, it says no access. I got no access. So, it won't let me do it. It won't let me do it. Guys, Bulenox does have 85% off the option 125K if you want to pick one up using the code MM1. 85% off currently. It's $20-ish. It's the best deal up front right now that you're going to get. Best upfront deal that you're going to get. I'll see if I can pull my speaker out here or something. I don't know. I'm trying to get this thing set up so you guys can get a better look at it, but it's not really working. Oh well. We'll just hold it like that. Again, at like 87, I'm thinking about going break even here. Looking for 10 points with one mini. I'll switch it over to that account. This is a fresh account that I just opened, so of course you can't. I didn't reset it there. Anybody else along here with me? We're inside technically the macro here, but that little dip is interesting. We double top there. We ran the swing over here, and now we're pulling back, but you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Do we add one? What do you guys think? You have a little luck. Yeah, water fasting. Me too. Most of the time, I would say you just pick a direction and roll with it. Just pick a direction and go with it. Marsa sent something. Thank you, Marsa. I don't know what that was. Something. Sorry about all the moving there. I'm trying to get this thing where I can get it still. All right, price is pulling back there, back to the 80. Didn't quite make it to 87 for my break even. We got 85 there. So we might add on a pullback here. Let's see. You pick left. Add 2, says Pips Hunter. Last Asia session with the myth was when Trump arrived. It was, Fred. It was. We did do that. Nelly's in the universe. What? I'm guessing. I don't know what the heck that is. Do we add here and take it off? Take one off at 5 points? What do you guys think? Shouldn't be asking you guys what you think, really, but, you know, hey. We appreciate your ideas. We appreciate the ideas. I should have found a better way to to have my phone here. All right. I should have figured this out before I went live, but I didn't. I'm an idiot. What can I say? I'm an idiot. All right, at least you guys can see it right there. Ooh, we got a blinkage. Where is Mr. Donaldo? I don't know who that is. Yeah, Bobber, I'm sure gold probably is. I just don't typically trade gold. Well, Jackson, you got to give me more information than that, bud. All right, looks like the ES is kind of rejecting the 63 area there. It's not good for us. Where do you guys have your VWAP at? I got mine down here at the 70. Is that where your VWAP is as well? Something made a noise. I don't know what it is. Yeah, if I could stream from my PC, this will be much better for the TikTok adventure, but right now I can't. Let's see here. Share, copy link. Here we go, guys. Maybe we can do this. For those of you that do have TikTok, you can go over there and give me a follow on TikTok right there using that link. Use that link. Give me one follow. I do appreciate it. I'll go back at the end of the stream and follow anyone back that follows me. What up, Rock Driller? User 516-399-488-549. Thanks for joining. I don't know. I can go live, Jack, but then I can't show you here, but I could show you. I'm also live on YouTube right now. I can show you on YouTube. It says I need 10K followers to go live on the studio. I don't know why that is, but that's what it says. That's what it says. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that's okay if you're not on TikTok, Bobber. What up, Zabak? Appreciate you. Zabak. Yeah, it says I got to go live on TikTok for at least 25 minutes. It is what it is. I think we're like 15 minutes in. Yeah, it seems like everybody has access except for me. I'm the only one that doesn't. Are we going to get wrecked? You the man, Bobber. Appreciate you. Are we going to get wrecked on this move? I don't know. Maybe. We did just kind of jump in on it, huh? I mean, the stop probably will be if we kind of lose the VWAP. If we lose the VWAP. Rock Driller doesn't do the TikTok either. I like to watch TikTok. I don't normally go live on it, but I see more and more people going live. So, oh, I got an idea. Hold on, I got an idea. I'm going to show you guys this. I don't have anything to hold my thing with, but I got a shoe. We could prop it up in a shoe. Let's go. That's what we're gonna do. We're going to prop our phone up in the shoe. Oh, hey. If it works, you know. There we go. That's better. That's a little better. TikTok is banned in your country. Look at there. If it plays, it stays. We use the shoe. Christina, thanks for the follow. We'll get you back. TikTok might be banned in America soon. I don't know. Look at the Georgia Nike shoe coming in handy. Coming in handy. It does look a little crooked, though. Let's fix it. Let's try to make it a little bit better here. Get it to stand a little more upright, you know. Let's adjust the tongue a little bit. There we go. It's a little better. It's a little bit better. Still not wanting to. I don't know. Best I can do. Predator, I'm just trying to get this TikTok thing off the ground here. Really. That's about it. We're long on the TikTok here. We're long. How's it going? Shala Shaskabab. You just sold yours, Jacques? It's time to say goodbye to Mr. America. Oh no, I don't know who that is. Yes is down to the VWAP, at least where I have the VWAP marked out at. Do we dare add down here? I don't know. If you guys could only see this contraption I got going on holding this phone right now. Best I can do. Well, maybe long wasn't the play. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes, pulling back 61s. Do we just kill it and flip full port short? Flip full port short here? I don't know. Or do we add here and try to take some off at the swing up here? See if we can get a little runner going. What do we do? Husk told me to go long here. I told him it was wrong, but he didn't listen. What up, Sanithia? Full port is a bad word? Nah. It's a good word. It's a good word. Full port. I mean, I could add here. You know, we could get the port report going. I don't know though. Yeah, Bobber. I do think the draw is 491, but I could be wrong. We could just sell down here. Anybody got their VWAP? I don't think anybody told me where their VWAP was. Where's the VWAP? I got mine sitting down there. It's 471, but it's not always right. Hey, Husk, does this count as a post? I don't know. Little double bottom. We left equal lows down here at the 474s. I don't know if it's worth adding here. I'm thinking about it. Monday Night Football, Bengals versus Cowboys. Just got a notification. In case anyone was waiting on the Bengals and the Cowboys. Monday Night Football. Apex about to blow up. You think so? Ant King, 471. Okay, so it is right. Thank you, Predator. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I'm glad it's about right. I wasn't quite sure. Let me skip this ad. I want you guys to see an ad over here. All right, I'm going to add one here. Boom! That's how you do it. And we're going to take that off at the 84s, I think, for basically at that wick right there. I want to see if we get this little push back up here. We'll take one off the 84, go break even on the rest, see what we can do. See what we can do. Can we get this thing ripping in the right direction here? Doesn't look like it. We're 2 minis deep right now. What up, Corey? 2 minis deep on a long. Anybody else long here? Anybody else long? Give me the long off the VWAP. I don't know. I don't like that the ES is below 63. If we lose the VWAP and retest, we might full port short, but then again, we may just eat that $200-300 loss and move on. You would like to say 20 micros? Let's go. Same thing. 2 minis, 20 mics. Whatever your flavor is. Long 6468. You're long way before me then. 10 points lower. Nice job, Michael. I got on late though. You're short back to the VWAP, Miss Health Freak? Yeah. I don't know if we make it back to the VWAP though. We'll see. The ES is already at the VWAP there. That's kind of what I'm hoping holds. Guys, if you follow me over there on the Talk of the TikTok, I will follow you back. I posted the link somewhere. Where did I post it at? Oh, right there. I'm gonna, is that right? Is that my channel? No, wait, that ain't me. Did I post the wrong TikTok? Oh, there it is. All right, I'm going to pin the message there in the chat. Going to pin the message there in the chat. Let's go. A little push here. See the ES retest that 63 area there. Little retest of the 63 should get me home here on the 84s. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, a little SMT there. You're right. In 1 month, TikTok might not exist. Yeah, I did see that, Piggy Bank, but we'll see. I'm just trying to go long, you know, get a stream on there occasionally while I can. I don't know, though. I don't think it's going anywhere, to be honest, but we'll see. Trump said he was gonna save it, but I don't know. Jingle bags. Billboard in Times Square. Don't know what that is. Oscar. Donovan's long. Let's go. What up? Anybody else long over here? I don't know. Long. It really is chopping. ES trying to test the VWAP again here. I don't love the long, to be honest with you. But it's nothing that a full port short can't take care of if we need to. You know? It's nothing that a full port short can't take care of. We can do it if we need to. Or we just keep averaging into the long. I don't know. We can average into the long. Oh, there's my dog. He's barking. Ooh-wee. What up, Tame Tiger? Max said, long it is. You heard it. You heard it first here. You guys know what happens when Max barks. You already know what happens when Max barks. We hit our profits when Max barks. There you go. Max calling out the trade. If you didn't take the signal, I don't know what's wrong with you. Now we just got to hit the target. I'm assuming he's saying long. I don't know. What do you guys think? Pip says he's saying go long. Go long. Oh, Max, I need more barks, man. We need more energy, more passion. So, oh, Max, as soon as you stopped barking, dude, it came down. What's the deal here? ES retesting the VWAP once more. Oh, trying to get it through there. Christy Southern Kitchen, are you long right now? Are you trading this trash or what? Bear Trader. I see you over there hiding in the background, Christy. I see you hiding over there. Not trading? Yeah, I don't blame you. Trading tomorrow is probably the smart thing to do. Someone's trash is someone else's treasure. This is true. This is true. That's a very good saying there. Just ain't right. The question is, do we kill this trade if it gets back to break even? I don't love the long, to be honest. I mean, I do think it's reasonable to think we test the 90, but we don't have to. We don't have to. You predicted this, Tricky Turtle Trades? Tricky Turtle Trades, do you have a YouTube channel or something? Where do we watch your video at? Yes, losing the VWAP there. A little sneak below. Oh yeah, for the people on TikTok, you can follow me on YouTube as well. Let me Let me get the link to my YouTube. If I can spell right. I can't mess up this contraption here. Uh-oh. That's not what we want to see. We don't want to see the dump. Come on. I told you guys I don't love this. I don't love this long, but we're in it now, right? If you're in it now, what can you do? Copy the link. Can we paste? I don't know if we can paste the link in here. I don't know. We're going to try. Boom, there's the link to the YouTube. Did it go through? I'm not sure. Yeah, we're long, Hulk. We are long. We could just cut our losses here, but I don't love that the ES is losing the VWAP there. But we'll probably just hold. Why not? We shall just hold. ES looking weak. It's approaching the lows. Nasdaq is not quite as weak. I mean, we're nowhere near the lows on the Nasdaq. ES definitely looking weak here, though. Down to the 61. Just give them your money. Yeah. Let's go, Donovan. Break even's better than nothing, right? I might have should have taken the break even there when I had a chance. Donovan, if we lose the VWAP here, then yeah, we do have kind of this engineered liquidity down here. Little trend line liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Low resistance. Could run that fairly quickly. So the question is, do we just cut it here and flip short, or do we hold on? 5 mini short for 5 points, and we're good to go. We got 4 points into the VWAP here. Cut and go short. Yeah, maybe. As soon as I do that, though, you know what'll happen. It'll blast up. Cilantro, bro. All right, Brandon. I don't know what cilantro is. Cilantro? Yeah, I'm not a fan of cilantro, man. I'm not a fan of spices. A lot of spices, you know? All right, we're down 190 on the trade now. We got two options. We can either DCA one more time and look for a push back up to the like 77s and get out break even, or we could cut the loss and maybe go short. I don't know. Tom Spaceship is at 22K on NQ. Tom Sabo? Uh-oh. Tom's calling out guarantees. I figure he'd be asleep. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning over there where he's at. What up, Tito? If Tom's Spaceship is at 22K, then I need to go short. Because that guy, let's be honest. No, I'm just kidding. I like Tom. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe, follow me on TikTok there. It's pinned in the link. It's pinned in the chat there at the top of the chat. And follow me on YouTube, guys, if you're on TikTok. And yeah. We stream live every day on the YouTube, 9:15 Eastern. On the YouTubes. And I'm trying to get this thing set up for the streaming on TikTok, but unfortunately they're not allowing me to do it right now, so. I mean, do you think if we lose the 70s, we can move down? You got like 12, 13 points down there. But it is reasonable to think as long as we're above the VWAP, we can just continue higher. So we'll see what happens. Max, I need a bark or something, bro. Send us to the moon here. Send us to the moon. No, guess not. I might give you guys an education on how to blow an account fast today. That might be what we do. Yeah, Fred, it is. You gotta be patient, but Max is barking, but I don't quite know what he means. I don't know what he means. Max throwing in some barks. Thanks, Donovan. Appreciate it. You're still in a cell to the VWAP, Miss Health Freak, just over here fading me. Just over here fading away. Miss Health Freak, I think that you should hold it longer. I'm not going to lie. We actually have equal lows down here at 463.25. And then if we lose the VWAP, I mean, there's no reason we don't sell down into the 457, 458 area. So I think you should hold it longer. All right, so if we full port short, we'll go 20 tick, or we'll go 10 ticks. No, 15 ticks. And we'll go 4 minis. I think that'll get us back in the green. You could go in the past. Piggy bank. What up, Francis? But we're going to see what happens here at the VWAP first before we try any shenanigans on maybe getting this back to green. It's sending me to hell. I know how to blow up accounts. Uh-oh. You're a pro? Oh, no. Yeah, so now it's kind of losing the VWAP. I'm probably going to kill it here if we close below. And then we'll target the 463 on a full port short. And then you know what will happen? As soon as we do that, it'll rip back higher and blow the account. But yeah, I think a target down here is good. Miss Health Freak trades. But we're down 340 on this trade right now. I don't know if we hold the VWAP. I don't know if we hold the VWAP though. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close it, and we're going to go ahead and take a little starter here, short. And if we retest the VWAP since we closed below, I will we will add. See if we get a little. This could run this relatively quickly here. All right, this only lets me go 3 minis, not 4. So I'll take one off at the 63, and then we will see if we can't get the run down through this low resistance liquidity here. What up, Pine Tree? Pine Tree in the house. What are we down? We're down 3. Well, I don't know exactly what we're down. I think we lost maybe $400 on that trade. So something like that. But we are full port short now, so. Funny thing is, I was kind of leaning towards short to begin with when I got on, but then I talked myself out of it. Talked myself out of it. Oh, wait. Maybe I'll put this one on down here at the 57 area. It blew through the but still in the cell. Let's go, Miss Health Freak. Yeah, Miss Health Freak, that's what I was saying. The ES is already below the VWAP, so that's why I think. And you got low resistance liquidity here that we can run through fairly quickly. So that's why I think you could hold it for more. ES is making new lows, which someone mentioned earlier, but, you know, we'll see. I mean, it could rip back higher, but I doubt it. Might retest the VWAP from the bottom side there, but it's going to push down. Wish I could take 4 minis. I wish I had better entry here. Because, what is this? 4 points. 20, 40, 60, 80, 160, 200. Yeah, I don't even know if this is enough to even get us back to break even. We'll see. You have a level at 448. Yeah, it would make sense, right? Ooh, got a blinky. I don't know what's going on with my monitor. Why does it blink like that? Why does it do that? going to move these down a little bit. I'm going to leave this one here at the 63. I'll probably go break even in this area. Let's see. You had a rough day today. You had a 100K TPT pass. Thought I closed my orders. Got distracted. Holy cow, Pine Tree. That sucks. So it went from pass to being blown. That's horrible, man. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Well, I've done that before, though, Pine Tree. And I've actually taken a trade after I passed the account. I think Husk has done this, too, a couple times last week. Where you pass the account, you forget to change the... you forget to change to the different account. You think on a different one, and then you take another trade, and now you're no longer passed, and you end up blowing the account. I've done that so many times. But at least it was just an eval, Pine Tree, I guess. You know what I mean? Although those are expensive evals, let's be honest. I mean, $100 eval, it's not cheap. So, definitely not cheap. All right, I think we got our 30 minutes in on... what have we been live for? 41 minutes. Yeah, we got our 30 minutes in on the old TikTok here. We'll see if that unlocks anything later on. Yeah, they're hard to pass, Fred, and it's not really Take Profit Trader's fault, right? It's just one of those things where they're hard to pass. Trader Oracle in the house. What are you up to, Trader Oracle? It's 7:30 over there. You just got done eating Taco Bell. I already know. Just got done eating the Taco Bell. And now you're good to go. You're looking at the charts thinking, what the hell is Methodical Man doing on here? Yeah, 50% consistency keeps you from full sending it, Fred. That's annoying too. Yeah, if it didn't do that, then that would be, yeah, that's another thing there. Keeps you from full sending it. I could put my picture here so you could see me on the talk of ticks. But it's in the way of the stuff, so we'll just leave it. Your tick trader consistency is 526%. Holy cow. You'll take out $1 million when you get there, Oracle. When you get that puppy to pay out. It'll be $1 million. $1 million. Wait, is that how it goes? How's he do it? $1 million. Or is that too old for you people? Nobody old enough to know that. $1 million. What up, yo boy? I don't know. It kind of feels like I don't know. Are we going to sell tonight? We're just going to be a night where we sell down. I mean, the ES is making new lows. Nasdaq is not. Push back down into the 440s? I don't know. Oh, you know, Fred? It's all about the pinky placement. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how you place it. You have to show me, Michael. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. Do I move this first target down more? I'm thinking that I should. I'm thinking I should move the first target down to like 61. We do have the equal lows there, but I think that we get a little bit of movement below those. So I'm going to go 5 points on the first target. Stop will go into break even once we breach the 63s. So we'll see. Prop firms can't have all of us, so someone needs to take the fall. Yeah, that's true. I take the fall. I take the fall. You think we're going to retrace and have more room to the downside? Yeah, maybe, Zeke. I mean, like, it makes sense, right? Zeke, I will get you a follow back as soon as I get off this live here. What up, John? You guys, I got the TikTok pinned in the top of the chat there. If you want to jump over there and give me a follow, I appreciate it. I'll follow everybody back after the live. And if you guys want to watch me on YouTube, I am live on YouTube right now as well. So either way. What's up, John? We're trading because we're degens, John. We're degens over here. So we're just degenning it up. Miss Health Freak, I usually trade inversions, but like when you're trading a slow market like this, you're not, inverses are not really going to make a difference here. It's so slow. Inversions is kind of like a momentum thing. And so right now, it's just, I think, I see we have low resistance liquidity here. So I think price wants to clean this up. ES is already holding below 63, which is a major level that we broke through earlier during New York. And we're staying below it. So as long as we stay below that, I think we sell. But, so that's kind of what we're doing. Right here is just kind of, I think, trades in this time of day. I think, I feel, that sort of thing. Things that we don't want to be doing during New York, we shall do during this time of day. So that's all. Like, the long, I knew I was wrong right here when we kind of failed to make that high. But I was already in the long. I mean, I just decided to hold it. I could have cut it there. Instinct said to, but, it is what it is sometimes. Instinct said to cut it, but I didn't. So, yeah. I might just go ahead and take that one off those equal lows. We're not really accelerating through there. Not that we're going to get much acceleration this time of day. But sometimes it's fun to trade these sessions. Not on my funded accounts, obviously. Just for those reasons. All right, let's see what happens here. Do we get a little bit of a push through here or not? I want a little bit of a push through. I don't want it just to wick it. All right, I'm going to take that one off, and we're going to go stop to break even on the other two. So we're in at break even. We want this to just push through the equal lows here. We don't want it to just wick through like it just did. So waterfall. What up, Pine Tree? Yeah, that's what we need. We need the waterfall. We need the sell-off. Pine Tree, don't you like the quality on that TikTok there? It's perfect. If you could only see the setup here. If you could only see it. I got it propped up with some biofreeze sitting on top of a candle inside a Georgia shoe, inside of a shoe. Let's go back to 473. What? Just ain't right. Come on, man. That's where my stop is. That has me getting stopped out, man. Do I just add again? Do we just add again? We move our stop back up? I don't know. I want to see it move down. We got 9 minutes until the 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern. We typically get a little more movement at that 9 p.m. See if we get a little push down here. Come on, give me the push down. Need 5 more points on this push down. Can we get it? I might take one off. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and take one off here. And then we'll try to hold for a little lower target. Still be in the red, but, it is what it is. It's kind of not really going. Do we let it go back in the red? I don't know. That's the question. Wouldn't it be cool if you could move your entry up? If you're like, no, I don't like this entry. I think I want it to be up here at the VWAP now. Let me move my entry up. I'll move my entry up now. I don't like it. I no longer like it from the 67. I want to be short from the 70. Thank you. You can't do that, guys. That's against the rules, guys. I was just joking. We would never do that. But we are in 2 minis now. We do have one more we can add on. So if we do retrace into the VWAP, maybe we do it. I don't know if it's a sell off, Christy. It's something. It's something. Something for sure. Well, If we would have only shorted when we got long, I mean, we would be sitting great, if only. So, we're still going to be in the rojo here, the red. We know that broken Spanish. You know what I mean? The broken Spanish. We know a word here and there. That's it. Max, I need something, bud. I need a bark, a growl, something. Just Ain't Right wants to push. What's at the 473, man? What do you need there? Retest that. Retest the 1 minute trend line and the VWAP there. I guess I could actually draw this better. Let's do that. There we go. No, I didn't Just Ain't Right. I did see a video he posted, but I didn't watch it yet. What platform do I use to copy trade accounts? Michael, I'm using Quantower. So, it's a 5 minute fair value gap at 473. I got you. Yeah, you would also be breaching this little swing here. So the good part is if this does push up, right? If this does push up and sweep this, then you would expect it to make a new low before it comes back up. But we'll see. But no, I didn't watch Patrick's video. I'll probably check it out in a bit. Bookmap, there's a level at 455. I'm okay with 455. Give it to me. Where do I got to take profit at down there? 454. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, Rips is playing in the WPT. Really? Which tournament, Pine Tree? He couldn't close out his position. Oh, goodness. Just ain't right. Yeah, people get lucky like that. Just ain't right. Did you see my 107-point banger short earlier today? I took a 107-point short with one mini. Only on an eval, but hey, we still did it. We outlined the trade and we took it for 107 points. To be fair, we could have been in like way higher too. If I didn't notice that data. I noticed that data low from Friday at 8:30 a.m. Friday down at 440, and kind of figured once we kind of got below 500, we trade into that. We were short from 547, so we took it off at 440. All right, Predator. We'll see you tomorrow. High stakes cash. WPT though. Isn't WPT World Poker Tour? Is he in something different? Let's go, Forex Elite. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. That's what you get, guys, if you subscribe or you follow. Christy's going to be my translator. She knows Spanish. Hola. Okay, Christy, what does this word mean? What is the word? How do you say it? Hold on. Punta madre. Anybody know what that word means? I have no clue. Some girl yelled that at me a lot back in the day. What does that mean? I have no idea. Oh, it's a bad word? Punta means point? Perfect. It was just 1 point. Then she was telling me point something. I'm waiting on Christie's translation. TikTok will block you? Probably not. And then what about the word carajo? Carajo. What's that mean? Like how I rolled my R's there. You like it? You like it? I know a few things. I've been, I've been in some situations. We know a few things. Can't share all that stuff with you guys. Got to roll the R's. Got to roll those R's. Is that what that means, Carlos? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. It's in a different language, so, it doesn't count. Right? If you don't know what it means and it's in a different language, it doesn't count. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. All right, coming up on the macro, if that's a thing this time of night, I don't know. Many ways to translate. Yeah, the girl that used to teach me these words, she was Peruvian, I think. Was she from Peru? I think she was. And I think she had said that those, oh wait, those things, I don't know. She, I knew it was like a cuss word, but they can be interpreted differently, different ways. So. She worked with me at Rent-A-Center, and very small girl. Her name was Jessica. And she, it would be funny if she was like watching right now, wouldn't it? And I was I was the manager, and she was one of my employees. She might have been 5 foot tall, and she was an account manager. And as an account manager, you're required to do deliveries of furniture. It was a furniture company. And so I sent her kind of into a shady area to deliver a washer and dryer to an apartment by herself. But I knew it was on the lower floor, and we have lift gates and hand trucks. And she would throw a few cuss words at me in a different language. Or maybe not at me, but just mad because she's working a job where she has to move stuff. But she's the only one available, so she had to do it. The only one available. It's a part of the job. So yeah, that's what she'd be saying as she's like loading them up onto the truck, walking out the door. And then she'd do this to me. Anybody know what that means? I'm just kidding. I know what that one means. So eventually she became sales manager, and she no longer had to do those deliveries. So she was happy then. Very, very happy. I think I've got the 30 minutes in on over here on TikTok for sure. You work with Venezuelans and Guatemalans in the kitchen in an Italian restaurant. Learn them all. Let's go, White Mile. Well, that's not a good look. Just ain't right. This is what you were looking for, right? Raul, we're just, just for a little fun. A little late night fun. To the moon, says Jordan, to the moon. If we retest the VWAP, I think I'm going to add my third one back. And we'll take it off down here. Testing that little 1 minute trend line that we drew out. Retesting it. We also are in the macro, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm short, Jordan. Not in real life, but in this trade, just so you know. I moved my stop music. Max, yeah, Oh, you sent me the link in Discord? All right, let's check it. Discord. Where you at? We'll add on a retest of the VWAP. And if it continues to go up, we'll blame somebody else, not us. I'm going to blame myself. We'll blame someone else. So it's World Poker Tour Gold. What are they playing? This guy's got 200K in front of him. All right, yeah, it's above my level. Joey Ingram's in the chat. Joe Ingram, not Joey. Yeah, I'll blame you. You're up 350. Let's go. Nice job. Just ain't right. Let's go. Yeah, I moved my stop off, though, music. I decided to take it off. I like the downtrend. Outside my pay grade. What is Rips playing? How much is he playing? You know, the biggest stakes we play, 2-5. That's where we kind of draw the line. Yeah, Bobber, I'm watching this swing right here at the 70 because technically if we break this swing and we move back down, this high would be protected until we sweep the low again, right? Which would be good, decent news for our short, you know, if it starts to move back down. It doesn't have to, but if this gap holds. Yeah, live prop firm. I don't usually stream this late, but we're just trying to, you know, a little entertainment here. I'm on TikTok streaming as well, and so trying to pick up some hours on TikTok over here. Not hours, but I needed 125-minute stream. Seems like we've gotten that. Oh, let me pull my TikTok back up. That way, in case somebody's saying something. APEX 47. Far crazy. What in the world? Oh. But yeah, I'll pull this over here so we can keep an eye on it. I'm not listening to the commentary, but we don't really need to. Let's go. Husk supposed to be at work in 5 minutes, and he's still watching the stream. Got a couple 250Ks coming from renewals. Haven't traded those in a while. Let's go, Fred. Good luck with those. I'm telling you, trading at the open, though, hasn't been very good. I don't know much about Rips. I don't think I've ever even watched him. Maybe like a time or two early in the morning. All I know is that, you know, Patrick talks a lot of shit about him. But I don't know a lot about Rips. Anybody watch Rips? I know that I know a few people do for sure. I mean, I don't even know how many subs he has. I'm sure he has more than me, but I'm not sure. All right, Rips is in a hand. He's calling out of position with King Jack. He's defending the small blind. King Jack suited. What is this, 6 ways? You're looking for the first setup type of thing? Who doesn't Patrick talk bad about? Exactly, Shalash. What do you mean? When I say the open, you are looking for the first setup type thing. I don't know, Fred. What are you talking about there? I don't know what you mean. You have to expand a little more. Flop is deuce 3 jack with 2 diamonds. He flops a pair plus flush draw. But Berkey has ace 6 of diamonds. I'm giving you guys the commentary here. So he's in big trouble here if a diamond hits. He's going to have second nut flush versus nut flush. But he's ahead right now with a pair plus flush draw. Very, very strong hand. Didn't know. Peter has an up and down straight draw. Turns a 9 of clubs. We'll do the commentary. He's been blocked 5 times. What? Really? Is Trades by Matt in here too? And Dakota? Oh, on the open. Yeah. No, Fred, I just hedge at open. Thanks for reminding me. Ace hits the river, giving Berkey the best hand. I hedge at open. So about 10 seconds before open, I long one, short one, and one. I just kill one to pass one. Now, the risk you run is sometimes we've been getting like today's open was great for that. But most of the time, or some of the time recently, we've been getting choppy opens, which blows both sides. And it's hard to do that. It's hard to hedge with those 250s as well. Yeah, I forgot we were talking about the 250s. Maybe I should have added on that push back up to 70, but I do feel like we might get one more push up before it takes out the 62s. Let's see. So Berkey won that hand, obviously, with top pair. Rivered the ace. He had a lot of equity there. Rivered the ace. Pushing back down here to the 67s. Let's see if we get one more retest of the 70. We'll add into the position. Top of the hour here coming up. 1 minute. Fred, Pine Tree posted it in the coupon section of the Discord. So if you go into the Discord and go under coupon codes, he posted the link. Which I'm going to have to ban him for posting the link in the Discord. You know what I mean? Nah, I'm just kidding. Got to ban him. You're banned! No links in the Discord. How dare you post a different link in the Discord than me? I don't ever post my links in the Discord. I probably should. Yeah, you did it in the discount codes. It's fine, Pine Tree. Doesn't really matter. Man, this thing is just taking its sweet time to move down here. Didn't plan on being on here this long, but I guess that's what happens when you dig a little hole and you try to work yourself out, huh? Let's just see. That's all we can do. Yeah, music. It's like trading the ES, but, you know, slower. Well, that's sad, isn't it? It's like trading the ES, only slower. So there's that pushback up that we kind of expected. I'm going to go ahead and add in to right there. I'm going to add in one more. So we're full port one more time. And, you know, the thought process is VWAP here. Maybe that'll hold. 1 minute trend line. A little bit of reason for this thing to hold here and turn back down. But if it doesn't, we blow the account and it's fine. Yeah, Raul, Bulenox has a sale going on right now, $21 for a 25K account. So if you want to pick that up, coupon code MM1 for that on Bulenox. But 50% off right now on APEX. You had a good one. Be careful with this. Yeah, thank you, Bob. We appreciate you. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, now I want to see a pushback through 62. Take me out on 2 contracts, and then we'll go stop to break even. The idea here is that, you know, we took out a swing inside a fair value gap. That was great drawing there. So the idea is we kind of need to make a new low in order for this to, in order for us to move back above here. That's my thought process. We'll see. Maybe not. Yeah, you can have up to 11, Raul. You can have up to 11. But that's my thought process there. Let's see if it can push lower. We'll see. And kind of if it pops the VWAP, we're just going to get out. Well, yeah, Berkey's a beast. I mean, look who he's playing against. I don't see everybody in here yet, but I don't see really very many tough faces that are, you know, going to give him a run for his money. But I don't know. I have to see. I don't know who all is in there. Don't know who all is in there. So, all right. Seems like it's pushing back up. We close out this gap, then we're just going to get out of here. What do I think about KO? I don't know. Abby, I don't know what KO is. The Banhammer. Yeah, doing a little live trading, Relic. We're going to probably be out in a minute. So Berkey bought in for 50K. He's up 150K. Rips bought in for 100. He's up 72. He's having a good night. Is this the end of it? Juan Lu is down 150. Peter, I don't know who that is. Brittany, I don't know who that is break even. Justin's up 20K. Yeah, so Rips is doing okay. He's doing all right for himself there. 74K, nothing wrong with that. Or are they taking like an hour break or something? Because they're breaking out paper like they're making them write down their chip account or something to keep up with it. I don't like those triple equal highs that we just left at 470. They are right next to each other. Oh, I see Pine Tree over here in the chat. What'd he say? Pine Tree says, hugging the VWAP. That it is. Hugging it strong. What up, Design Knob? Only goes up as I'm short. Design, where were you at when I was long, man? Where were you at then? Huh? Where were you at when I was long up here, guy? Long, long, long. That's rude just to come in when I'm short and say, only goes up. Only goes up there, folks. That's it. All right, well, I am kind of tired, guys. It has been over an hour. It's after 9 o'clock. We'll be back live tomorrow. We'll show you guys the P&L when we get back in here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. If you guys join me on YouTube there, 9:15 a.m. Methodical Man. If you want to subscribe, anybody watching on TikTok there. And appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Hit that like button. Use my codes on the way out the door. Thank you. Have a good night.